Greetings. If you are a busy mom like me, you probably don't have a lot of time to work out. So we're going to get right to it and we're going to do a 10-minute full body Pilates routine. Start off by laying on the back side of the mat. Start on the right side. You can support your head with your hand. Activate your core, pull your belly button in and up. Bring your legs out to about a 45-degree angle on the mat. Point your big toes up. And make sure that we're just moving our leg. Bring that leg up, drop it down, up, drop it down. Again, 3, 4, 5, keep legs straight, 6, 7, keep the core activated, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Keeping the belly button activated, we are going to do little circles with our leg. Just do 10 circles forward. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Well done. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Excellent work. We are going to do the bicycle next. Leg forward, stretch it out, bring it back. Heel up to the buttocks, bring it forward, stretch it out. Keeping the hips quiet. We don't want to move those. 3. Bring it as far as you can. And 5. Bring it back, stretch it out, bring it forward. Bring it back, stretch it out, bring it forward. Just bring it back, come forward, bring it back. 3, 4, and 5. Well done. Get your shins parallel with the long edge of the mat now. Keep the belly button scooped in and up. Keep your hand here for support. We're just going to lift the top leg. Bring it straight back down. Try to keep this leg nice and flush with the ceiling, the long edge of the mat. 3, 4, 5. Bring it up as high as you can. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Well done. Now we'll do some clams. Just lift the top leg up, keep the feet together. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Well done. Lift the feet up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Well done. Just switch sides. Walk your hands towards your body. Flip it around. Bring your feet out to about a 45-degree angle. Support yourself with your top hand and pull your and keep the core engaged the whole time that you do Pilates. And then just lift that top leg up, bring it down. Keep the toes pointed. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and Good job. We can do little circles now. Just point the toes, circle the feet forward, try to keep the hips quiet. Don't forget to keep that core engaged. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Keep supporting yourself with your top hand. Keep the core activated and just reverse. Do 10 circles with that top leg. Keep the hips quiet. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now keep the feet together. Just lift the top leg doing the clam. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Lift the feet. Keep that core engaged. Lift, kick, together, down. Forgot what we were doing for a minute. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Bring your legs down, roll onto your stomach. Make a diamond with your hands. We'll just do some heel beats. You can bring your chin in between that diamond. Lift your feet up. Activate your glutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Well done. Hands come under the shoulders. Press into the mat. Come up. And then just flip over, lay on your back. Stretch out on the mat. Bring the arms out, stretch them out. Inhale, roll up. Activate your core. Reach towards your toes. Restack your spine. And then slowly lower yourself back down. We'll do 5 of these. 1. This is 2. Reach towards your toes. Restack your spine. Slowly roll yourself down, 1 vertebrae at a time. 3. Restack your spine. Roll yourself back down. 4. And 5. Once you come up, you can stay up, keeping the core activated. Step the feet out about mat distance apart. We're going to do the saw. This will work the obliques. Arms out nice and wide. Lift up the chest. Stack the spine nice and tall. Try and saw off the right pinky toe with the left pinky finger first. Reach down. 1, 2, 3. Come back up. Restack. To the left. 1, 2, 3. Come back up. To the right. 1, 2, 3. We'll do 5 on each side. 5s and 10s. 1, 2, 3 to the left. Restack. 3, 2, 3. Come back up. 1, 2, 3. This is 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 5. 1, 2, 3. Back, and 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Drop the arms down. Come to the center of the mat. Bend. We're just going to bend the arms, squeeze the elbows together, come down, lift yourself back up. This works the triceps. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3 more. See if you can come down a little further, maybe 8, 9, and 10. Excellent. Now lower yourself down. Keep the knees bent. And then this time just lift them up, shins parallel with the ceiling. Low back is pressed to the floor. Hands come back behind the head, lace the fingers together without pressing into the back of the neck. We're just going to keep the elbows wide. Exhale, come up, bringing the right elbow towards the left knee. Stretch the right leg out, hover over the ground. Come back, switch. We'll do 5 on each side. 2, 3. Right elbow to the left knee, right leg stretches out. Hover that leg over the floor. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Well done. Lay back. Squeeze the right leg in, stretch the left leg out. Switch. Squeeze the left leg in, stretch the right leg out. Bring both knees to the chest, give them a squeeze. Grab the backs of your legs, roll up. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you loved this video. I hope you got a quick little workout. Every little bit helps. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click the bell to be notified of all my videos. Check out my link in the description for Be Fit Amazing. You can get this cute little top. And until next time, may love and light be yours. Namaste.